All right, it's E from MarketWizard.com and eMiniWizard.com. About 5 minutes after, 5 to 10 minutes after 11 on Friday, 25th of February, 2022, reminding traders to use risk capital you can afford to lose. And it's just going to be a quickie to wrap up. We did a couple substantial videos earlier. So just wanted to review for traders that may not be here, things that we've been looking at and trying to understand. And I would have to say that the primary chart today for me was this 2-day range. We showed 10, 15 other charts that are all important, but I believe today, because of yesterday's egregious move, we weren't going to break down a lot, and I didn't think we were going to get that far ahead of ourselves either, certainly not early. So it was my feeling that we should play this as our support, this as our fighting box, and then this as our resistance box. So now that we've been able for now to hold that 37 area, which we talked about on the opening range breakout, that was our target, but don't think about it as being anything more than maybe, a target that you should cover and take some profits. And then subsequently we got the rotation and we took out the 72s, we took out the 83s here, yesterday's high. And we had a really nice push to come back up and challenge the demon, which was at this 84. And we said, make sure you are paid there. And anybody that tried to short that demon, again, in the context of today's range, this is a chippy against the flow. So not thinking big type trades, but just thinking to make sure you get paid type trade. Let's put a 3. And you can see just how important that area was. So anytime we have these double legs like that, and then we can hold and dig in and get some traction, then we want to go and see if we can't test the high. And if we stall at the 60 back, totally different story, and it comes back this way, then we know it's rotating backwards. So for now, this idea that we're certainly going to use our big pivot of 13,750. That was today's support coming in, and then this was our inverted head and the shoulders. And a lot of traders probably got caught thinking it was going to come flying back this way, but today is actually morning after trend day. And as such, you want to make sure that you were thinking about these type of ideas of where we had breakouts. And above it is continuation. So the current battle based on this system is right here, this box. And I believe this high will go before the day's over. It's not critical. We've already had a great day, had some great swings and taken profits out in both directions. Anybody play for the half gap and gap early and test for support, and then turn your mind around and say, okay, let's range trade. So I'm not going to get into a lot of the other charts. We showed them so many times already today. I just wanted to wrap this up with a little bit more simplistic look. And for now, obviously, we're going to use the middle as our support until broken. Reminder, we did take out the IB highs. So that's currently our aggressive support back here. And on the way back down, we said paid for sure by 25s. So two-way day, but I think the longs right now have the ball to drop, and that was our premise early. Certainly take the morning after trend day trades and go with the flow from yesterday. And whether or not it gets hit or not, I don't know, but we had picked next target 14,150. Don't know whether we can get there or not, but certainly it is a resistance target currently. And our current support, aggressive support, it's got to be yesterday's high. That bus, anything can go, but for now, that's aggressive. All right. Hope this helps you. And those of you not here, get in touch if there's something specific I can help you with. Great weekend all.